Hello, and it's gear time. Close to Christmas, another little gift that might be a nice gift for a loved one, for a partner, for a friend, or even for yourself. It's a rechargeable hand warmer from UniGear. This is not just a hand warmer as far as I'm concerned. I've decided that this is good for photography for two reasons. One is for warming your hands up, or three reasons. One is for warming your hands up. Two is for using the power bank. It's a 10,000 milliamp power bank, which means that you can actually charge your phone or your camera or even run your camera off of it, which is brilliant. And it's a hand warmer, which also means you can warm your hands. Okay, four reasons. You can warm your hands and keep your hands warm, or you can shove it in your camera bag to keep your camera bag temperature warmer, so drier. Come the winter time when everything gets a bit damp and moist, leave it in the bottom of your camera bag. I actually popped this in my camera bag last night to dry everything out a little bit, but slowly. Okay, now I don't have a lot of information on this apart from what I've got on the back of the box. It's a 10,000 milliamp battery. It's got an input of 5 volts, 2.8 amps, and it's got a working hours between 4 and 8 hours depending on the temperature settings. Now there are temperature settings. You can range this from, I think, 20 degrees up to 55 degrees Celsius. I put it on 55 degrees, shove it in my bag for about an hour last night, and it's still got a load of charge left on it. Charging time reckons between 2.5 and 3.5 hours. A net weight of 198 grams, and that's 6.9 ounces, and a gross weight, we don't really need to know the gross weight, it's 260 grams, but gross and net, you just want to know this, not the box and everything, do you? Dimensions, product dimensions is 6 by 11.6 by 3.3 centimeters. If you want it in inches, it's 2.3 by 4.5 by 1.3 inches. Okay, so that's basically what you're getting. This little box. No, it's not. You're getting this. Comes in this really soft pouch, which is nice because you can keep it in there and it's nice and soft to keep your hands nice and warm. It comes with a USB charger. You've got a USB standard and you've got a USB-C. The USB-C is obviously quicker and also better for charging the bigger phones. You can plug it in and charge my phone while I'm going as well. If you just want to see that working, I'll show you this. Just plug it in. I use my USB-C cable. Okay, and I'll just pop my phone in just so you can see that it charges my phone. And I've got a Samsung S21. It takes quite a bit of power to actually kick this thing in. There you see my phone's just come on and started charging. It says it's going to take 42 minutes, which is pretty good. Okay, so let's get rid of that cable. Yeah, so this is a green colour. I'm not sure if they do other colours. If they do, I'll pop them on the screen for you. This is a nice green colour from UniGear. And if I press the button on the side, you can see there's a little number comes on there. And that little number basically says 76%. So like I said last night, this is been running in my bag for about an hour and it's still on 76%. Okay, so you can turn the power on. When you turn the power on, you basically flick this switch up so it doesn't go on by mistake. Okay, so that is already warm. It's already started warming up in my hand now. And I was out yesterday, my fingers got really, really cold, and this really did make a difference just to get the feeling back into my fingers. I'm just looking outside because it's very, very misty out there at the moment, and I'm in Scotland. So yeah, this is really good. I like this. I like it a lot because it's a power bank, and I carry power banks anyway, but it's not just a power bank. You're getting 10,000 milliamps worth of power bank, and you're getting something you can use as well as, so I can use it as a hand warmer. And like I say, if I leave this in my bag on when I'm out, it just keeps that temperature up, so it keeps the moisture down a little bit. So I think this is a really, really good little idea. I'm very, very impressed with it, and I like it a lot. It means I don't have to carry a second power bank, so the weight's irrelevant. So yeah, that's all I want to do, show you that. It's a good little Christmas gift for a friend or a partner or stuff like that, or even for yourself. Treat yourself to one, because you can keep, if you get two, you can put them in your pocket and keep your hands warm. I will just have a quick look on my phone and give you an idea of a price, because obviously that's the very important part. So I've just opened up the app on my phone, and you can see here, and if I do a live screen, I'll record it for you so you can actually see what it is I'm seeing as you're seeing it as well. We've got a 10,000 milliamp, and they also do a 5,000 milliamp one as well, so they do a smaller one. This is a 10,000 milliamp. It is $33 $6. That's actually really good for a power bank, a hand warmer, and like I say, it does other things. You can see it comes in a green, it comes in a pink, and it also comes in a black. So if you're buying it for a young lady, a pink one's very, very pretty. The green's just nice because it's simple, and then you've got a black which is very basic and normal. Temperature rating, Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can see on the screen description. It's got a USB-C chargeable, hand warmer, power bank by UniGear, built to keep you warm and USB powered devices charged. Very interesting. It goes from 45 to 55, LCD display. Yeah, everything's there. There's the dimensions and all stuff all on the screen for you now. Built-in 10,000 milliamp, which is a massive power bank. Even the 5,000, I normally use 3 to 5,000 when I'm out and about. And like I say, if I go back, I can show you the 5,000 one as well. They also do this as a 5,200 milliamp. That one's only $25. So that one again comes in a green and a darker green and a more of a musty pink. And again, very much the same similar things. It's got 4 to 8 hours charging. The charging time is 3 to 6, 4 to 8 hours run time. And the specs and the dimensions, this one will probably be slightly smaller and lighter, with it being a smaller output. So yeah, very, very impressed. Really, really like it. Yeah, happy Christmas. Ciao for now. Bye bye.